Most people think that motivation comes before action. However, neuroscience says that it's the exact opposite. Your brain doesn't change when you feel inspired. Your brain changes when you do hard things consistently. Today I want to explain why doing hard things consistently rewires your brain and can actually give you an unfair advantage. Your brain is designed to conserve energy. That's why your brain loves comfort, routine, and shortcuts. When you avoid doing hard things, your brain learns one lesson. The lesson is, discomfort is dangerous, don't try it. But every time you choose to do something hard, like getting up early, doing a workout, or doing a task that you've been avoiding, you are actually teaching your brain that you can handle discomfort. There's an area of the brain at the front called the prefrontal cortex, and this is responsible for discipline, focus, and decision making. If you want to get more disciplined and more focused and make better decisions, you need to strengthen the prefrontal cortex. And the way you do that is by training yourself by doing hard things daily. Doing hard things on purpose gives your prefrontal cortex the workout that it's been waiting for. However, if you love comfort and you choose not to do hard things, your prefrontal cortex will actually weaken. And here's the key, your brain doesn't mind what hard things you choose to do. All that your brain wants is for you to choose the hard thing and do it daily and do it on purpose. Your brain now knows that you do what you say you're going to do. Over time, your effort will become familiar. The resistance begins to feel normal, and confidence stops being something that you're chasing, and it actually becomes a place where you're operating from. So you don't rise to the level of your goals, you actually fall to the level of your systems, your system of daily habits, your system of doing hard things daily. So if you want to change who you are, don't wait for motivation. Pick one thing today, one hard thing, and do it deliberately. Because every hard thing that you do literally rewires your brain and tells your brain, this is who I am now. I do hard things daily. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.